Hi everyone, this is your friend Krupashankar. Today I wanted to do a project. Do you want to join me? This project is going to be very interesting. I've got the materials from Robotics and Aero Modeling by Sparkle Box. The materials needed are a pencil, 4 chopsticks, 5 magnets, double-sided tape, a coin, rubber band, and a base. Okay, so let's take out this foam sheet. We have to fix the chopsticks in the foam sheet. We have to take this circular ring and fix it over the chopsticks. Now we need and we have to put them through the chopsticks. And now we have to put the rubber band here on the pencil in such a way that this magnet stays on top of here. Let's see whether it's staying. Yeah, it is. The coin should go in the center of this board and it should levitate. Oh, it's not working. Let me read again. Let me read again. Let me try. And try again. Oh, it's working. It's levitating. See if I can do this. Wow. This is fun. My pencil is levitating. See, I'll give you the proof. It's not touching anywhere. See? Hi friends, do you want to know how this levitating pencil experiment works? Stay with me till the end. And it's actually like magic. First, let's learn the basics of a magnet. A magnet has 2 poles, North Pole and South Pole. Same poles repel each other, which means they push each other. For example, North Pole and North Pole will repel. So, North Pole and North Pole will move away from each other. The same way to the South Pole and South Pole. So, these sides are repelling. So, the second rule of magnet is different poles will attract. See now, it's getting attracted by itself. Let's verify with a small experiment, shall we? You can do this experiment in your home also. Like you might have a magnet lying around in your fridge or just ask your mother. Now see, When I bring it close, because of the magnetic forces, they will attract. Now I'm going to flip the magnet. So when I flip the magnet, it's going to become same poles, right? See, I'm flipping the magnet. It's same pole now. When I move this, it's not attracting, it's repelling. This pencil is levitating by the same concept, same poles repel. So these 4 magnets give a strong repelling force to this magnet attached to the pencil, which makes the pencil stand straight. That is why the pencil with the magnet here stands with no support. A big shout out to everybody out there. You know you are awesome in your own way. And thank you for watching my video till the end. Hope you learned something new today. Till we meet in the next video, it's bye-bye from Krupashankar. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye.